To remove and replace this latch, you're going to take a 13 millimeter and remove these two bolts here. When I remove this one, I'm going to hold the tailgate because it's going to want to drop down a little bit. Okay, take both of these and your new latch should come with new ones. Now you can pull the latch out. Now you can take this whole panel off and then get access to this, but it's still going to be underneath. So what I'm going to do from the back side with a pick, this hook is locked onto the rod that operates this latch. So I'm going to put a pick in there, hook onto this locking tab, pull it away, and then this latch should come right out. I'll show you once it's off. Okay, that's unhooked. Push the rod down. So what I did is I put my pick in here. This hook is normally like this on the rod. Pulled the hook back, and then you pull the rod down. The rod goes up into this hole like that, and then you pull it down. This unlatches, and you can take your new one, and again, this is where it becomes a little hard to see, but you want to line it up with the hole, and then press it up and in. Okay, so I got it lined up. I'm going to try and press it up into place. Okay, that rod just went all the way through. I'm going to take this hook and spin it. I'm going to take the locking tab, spin it, and I'm going to lock it onto this rod. Now with the rod connected, before I bolt it on, I'm going to simulate the locking position. Press that down, pull the handle, and that should unlock easily. Next, put in the two bolts that hold this on. As I said before, it should come with new ones. Don't forget about your strap here. Lift up the tailgate just a little bit so you can line up the bolt hole. The strap curves in towards the tailgate, and the hole should go over the shank of the bolt here. The new bolt is a T40 Torx. Snug that up. And this new one is a 12 millimeter. Snug that up too. All right, test it out. Close the tailgate and make sure it latches properly. That one latched with minimal effort, so that's perfect. It unlatches perfectly, so you're all set.